AI won't replace you, but someone using AI will. There was a time when people feared the plow. They said it would make hands weak. Then they feared machines. They said they would steal work, steal purpose, steal dignity. History didn't laugh at them. It simply moved on. Today, the fear has a new name: artificial intelligence. People ask the wrong question. They ask, will AI replace me? The real question is quieter, more uncomfortable. Will you be replaced by someone who learned how to use it while you waited? AI is not the end of work. It's the end of excuses. Let's talk about why. AI doesn't take jobs. It changes. AI doesn't wake up early. It doesn't sit in traffic. It doesn't worry about rent or family. AI doesn't take jobs. It reshapes them. Every major shift in history did the same thing. Farming replaced hunting. Factories replaced fields. Computers replaced paper. The people who survived didn't fight the tool. They learned it. AI will remove repetitive tasks, the boring ones, the soul-draining ones. But judgment, creativity, decision-making? Those still belong to humans who show up prepared. The job isn't disappearing. The standard is rising. AI multiplies skill. It exposes laziness. AI is a mirror. In the hands of someone skilled, it becomes leverage, speed, precision. In the hands of someone lazy, it becomes noise. AI doesn't make you smart, it makes you louder. If you don't know what you're doing, AI will only help you fail faster. But if you've done the work, learned the craft, earned the fundamentals, AI becomes unfair advantage. The tool doesn't decide the outcome. The discipline does. The future belongs to the adaptable, not the loud. The loudest voices online are usually the most afraid. They shout about AI taking everything. Quiet people are doing something else. They're learning, testing, improving. Adaptability has always been the real currency. Not talent, not luck. The world doesn't reward resistance. It rewards response. You don't need to master AI overnight. You just need to start before panic becomes regret. Small steps beat loud opinions. AI can work fast, but it can't care. AI can generate answers in seconds, but it doesn't care if the answer matters. It doesn't feel pride in good work. It doesn't feel shame in cutting corners. Care is human. Meaning is human. Responsibility is human. People don't trust effort. They trust intention. And intention still comes from a human mind, a human conscience, a human why. The world won't be run by machines alone. It will be run by people who know how to use them with purpose. Those who learn AI will outpace those who fear it. Fear freezes people. Learning frees them. The person who understands AI, even a little, will outperform someone who understands it not at all. Not because they're smarter, because they showed up. You don't need to become an engineer. You don't need to know everything. You just need to stop pretending this wave will pass. It won't. Ride it or watch others disappear into the distance. AI won't replace you. But someone who stayed curious while you stayed comfortable might. This isn't a threat. It's an invitation. Learn the tool. Respect the craft. Stay human. The future doesn't belong to machines. It belongs to those who knew how to use them, without losing themselves. If you're still here, still listening, still thinking, you're not late. You're right on time.